Hello viewers, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show Facebook this content is not available right now, problem solve. Let's see how to solve this problem. Click on three dot menu, scroll down, tap on help and support, tap on report a problem, tap on continue, tap on include, tap on profile, write this text and tap on send. Usually you cannot fix this problem because you have been blocked. You can request to unblock him. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.